Akiaria hingo ya icera riake kiganda-ini kia Njoro Canals, Gavana wa Naikuru Kinyanjui augite ni gubatie gukorwo na njira itiganite cia kuhuthira irio iria cithukaga na ihenya niguo gutigirira bururi ndunate irio nyingi ni guthuka.
You don't get the market in time, you don't store your produce in time, be it potato, whatever it is, that food goes to waste. But if we have enough companies that can help us to do value addition, to do the food canning, and I'm told some of the food can be stored for up to 3 years, then it means we are going to reduce that and indeed address the issue of food security for our county.
Oho ni oritie mathukuru ma university kunyitanira na iganda itiganite niguo gutigirira arutwo ni magia na ugi wa kothi cia moko.
I'm particularly happy because I know at the end of the day all the students we produce through our university are meant to go and work in practice in some place or the other. Therefore, that joint collaboration where you have students coming here to learn, where you have expertise from the university also coming here, is a sort of cooperation we want between our universities and the industry.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa kiganda giki Sahul Patel, thirikari nene na iria cia kaunti ni ibatie kurora kere na kunyihia magoti maria marehagwo ni iganda ici iri ta njira ya kuguciriria kuhingurwo kwa iganda ingi makiria bururi-ini.
Process almost all types of fruits and vegetables, spices, and convert them into products that are convenient to use, easy to store, with an extended shelf life.
Maina Ndura ni murimi kuma kaunti ya Naikuru na woni wake utalie tao.
Na shida ya Njoro ni maji tu. Hakuna kitu kingine. Tukipata maji ya kulima na factory tunaye hapa, mzee anachukua chakula chetu sawa sawa. Hatupi.
Hadini Hamidha ya Wonjoria ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru. Ritwa ria Kwana wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.